Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I am going to share a real success story of Google Business Profile creation, verification and phone number activation. Many businesses face problems like their phone number is not visible on Google profile, their verification process has not done, and also the profile is not visible on Google. So this was the exact situation with this client also. So in today's video, I am going to tell you what problem the client was facing, what strategies we have implemented, and what were the results at the end. So let's start the video. When the client approached us, their Google business profile was not publicly visible. It clearly shows on the screen that your profile is not visible to the customers. This means the customers were not able to find the business on the Google. The biggest issue was profile verification failure. Whenever the client wanted their profile to get verified by video verification, it always failed. Google requires multiple things in verification, but even if 2 or 3 things are missing, the profile gets rejected or suspended. The problem was neither the client nor we even know that what was the problem going on. Because of this, the profile remained inactive for a while. The main challenge was verification process is not working properly. Video uploading is failing again and again. Without verification, the profile cannot go live and even the customers are not able to contact the store or business directly. Instead of repeatedly trying for video verification, our team used a smart approach. We contacted Google Business Support through chat and call process. We raised a request explaining our issue clearly. Google then scheduled a live call verification. After a few minutes, the support team got connected and verified the business. And within 28 to 48 hours, the live call got enabled. After completing the video verification, within 5 days, the profile now becomes fully active and visible on Google. Now, the customers could find the business on Google search. They can directly approach the business and can ask their issues to the business now. Now, after solving the first issue, another problem came up. Now, the phone number was not live on the profile. Means the customers could see the business on Google, but they cannot call directly. This also affected the business now. And after that, contacted Google support again for the phone number verification. We also submitted some documents such as DST certificate, MSME bill, utility bill, business proofs, etc. After submitting all the details, we have now received a response from Google. We have completed the phone number appeal process. Once everything is verified and corrected, Google will now approve the request. Finally, the phone number became live on Google Business Profile. Now, customers could directly call the business, trust increased, and the inquiries become more easier now. This completed the journey from not visible, verified, and then fully optimized profile. This completed the journey from not visible, verified, and then fully optimized profile. In this project, our team worked on both technical understanding and smart strategy. We didn't only rely on basic methods. If your Google business profile is also not verified, not visible on Google, or phone number is not working, then your profile may need help. Our team specializes in Google business profile creation, verification, and optimization. If you want to fix your profile and wanted to rank on Google search, then you can contact us. Our contact details are in the description below. You can tap on the link and connect to us. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, comment on this video, share the video, and do subscribe our channel. Thank you.